We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. We're so motivated to hear from such happy customers. We work with each client individually to reach our 5-star customer service goal. Our approach really is one customer at a time. It's that simple. We want to earn your business the best way we know how by providing you with the best customer service possible. Come and see what we can do for you today. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.